it's Bree. Sorry. What was I gonna say? Oh, I got my neon ladybug. I forgot to film, and I made it when my best friend at like 10 p.m. So that was really cool. So now what we're gonna be doing today, I know this is gonna be like a weirder video, but it's gonna be building something. You're probably like, Breezy, why are you building something? Well, I don't post any of this type of stuff where I like build stuff, because as you can see, I have a lot of open space because I don't build stuff. Why is this stuff here? I don't want that there. I'm just gonna sell some stuff. Just like, oh, my pet can't even go to bed. That's sad. Okay, let me just go put my pet over here, I guess. You can go to bed. Okay, so what we're going to be building, you're probably like, what are we going to be building? What are you going to be doing? Well, I'm going to be building a washing machine and a dryer. So I've seen these in houses. I can show you at like the end of the video what I was trying to recreate. You'll probably understand once you see the actual picture. Yeah. Also, if you guys have, an albino monkey, please let me know. I would literally offer a kangaroo, a fossil egg, and then, like, pizza uni, and then a choo-choo train. Would you do that? Because that's, like, one of my dreams. So, yeah. So I'm just going to build right here. I think this is going to be a pretty good area. So how I saw it, I know I have some, I don't know why. I saw a tutorial a couple days ago, and they did this the block, sorry. I love how I'm saying everything. 2 of them, and then they did the brick as like the back of the machine. Is that like, oh, that's floating. And okay. I want to change color. Okay. And I thought it was amazing. Like how you can do this. So like, actually just adopt me. Can you just like make washing machines? Because I feel like you've seen a lot of people. Oh! That's my friend. I'm just gonna say hi. Sorry. Okay. So sorry. I got distracted. Light. So I actually saw them use a light. Like one of these basic ceiling lights. Yeah, that's what they used. I didn't know where they came up with that. I just saw it, and it was really fascinating. And then, get ready for this. They used the bottles as the buttons instead of like, because I feel like a lot of people you've probably seen, they like, ooh, next one. They totally like use those signs, which I feel like are good. It's just like they cost $200 if you wanted to get the ones they do. There's other signs and stuff, but yeah, it's just like, yeah, I know those look very weird. Actually, I have an idea. So I know they have less pricey. So yeah, so they have these howdy signs, which are definitely not that pricey. They're pretty pricey, but then actually they kind of look weird. Okay, so This looks like a washing machine already. This was a, is there anything I can get for less money, maybe? Sorry. Cause maybe would the cups work? Oh no, those look weird. I don't really know. I'll have to find something and then I'll tell you guys what I did. But this already kind of looks cute, so I think I'm going to keep this for like this right now until I do find something that, well, actually, these are only $3. And they're pretty good. It's just like, theirs looked way cute. Just so you guys know, like, this isn't really how they did theirs, but we're gonna put the bottles here and call it good. No! Ah! I hate when I do this. Okay. Turn my camera like this. Not there. Okay. So yeah, the washing machine. Turn off the light, but I like that one. Looks kind of cool. No, I don't want to lock my doors. I feel like people were downstairs. I don't know. I just feel like they were. Okay. So yeah, that's gonna be in today's video, and peace.